All right. Hi, Rayia. This is Lauren, and I'm going to read you a story titled I Have the Hiccups. And before we get started, I just want to share I saw this story and I thought it was perfect because I actually get hiccups all the time. And my friends and my family are always making fun of me because my hiccups are so loud and silly. So I thought this would be a fun story for us to read together. All right, so I'll go ahead and get started. I Have the Hiccups, written by Anne Harth. Hic! I had the hiccups. They won't go away. Hold your breath and count to 10, Mom says. I take a deep breath. I puff out my cheeks. 1, 2, 3. I count to 10. Hic! I still have the hiccups. Drink a glass of water, Dad says. I drink. The water is cold. It dribbles down my chin. Hic! I still have the hiccups. Eat a pickle, my brother says. I don't like pickles, I say. He shrugs. It will get rid of your hiccups. I take a tiny bit of a pickle. It's sour. I make a face. Hic! I still have the hiccups. I go next door to Auntie Nora's house. Help, I say. I have the hiccups. Lay on the floor, Auntie Nora says. I lay on the floor. Lift your feet. I lift my feet. Sing the ABC song. What? I say, it'll work. Try it. I sing my ABCs. Hic! I still have the hiccups. My cousin Salima comes home. She's very smart. She reads a lot. I have the hiccups, Salima. Please help me, I beg. Salima says, stand on one leg. I do. I hold onto a chair. Now, stick out your tongue. I do. I stretch it out as far as I can. Now, open your eyes really wide. I do, and try not to blink. Now, look over your shoulder, she says. I look over my left shoulder. Now, wiggle your toes. I wiggle my toes. I hope I don't fall. I am wobbling on one leg. My eyelids are getting tired. My tongue is dry. My neck is sore too. Wait, Salima says as she leaves the room. Don't move, she calls. I don't move, but I really want to. I wait and wait. Suddenly, the door opens. A bright flash blinds me. I put my leg down and pull in my tongue. I blink my eyes and turn my head to the front. My toes stop wiggling. Salima laughs and holds up her camera. She shows me the picture she just took. I smile. I look silly. Yes, Salima laughs, but your hiccups are gone. All right. What about some questions here? So the first says, how many people try to cure the hiccups? Oh man, even I kind of forgot. So let's go back and see how many people. All right. So we have the mom, so that's 1. We have dad, who's 2. We have the brother, who's 3. We have her Auntie Nora, who would be 4. We have the cousin, who's 5. And her cousin was the last one, so that would be 5 people who tried to cure her hiccups. What is the brother's idea for curing the hiccups? Do you remember? There are so many different ideas, even I have a hard time remembering, but I know he was kind of at the beginning. So let's go back and just double check. Oh, yes. So the brother, he suggested pickles. Eat a pickle, her brother told her. All right. The third question is, who is the first person to try and help? Now, I believe that was her mother. So if we go back to the beginning of the story, because I think that was the first person who she told, and her mom tells her, yes, 1, 2, 3 to count to 10. So going back to the questions here, what is the best word to describe Salima? So Salima was the last person who tried to help her get rid of her hiccups, and she's the one who made her do all those funny things to take a picture of her. So I would say Salima's kind of funny, right? She has a sense of humor because she did all those crazy things just so that she could take a picture of her cousin. So maybe she's funny or she's a jokester because she played a joke on her, but I'm sure there's a lot of words that would describe Salima. Well, I hope you enjoyed this story, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.